Mix mothballs into the fabric softener and see what happens. You won't believe it. This mixture will surprise you. But before I teach you, tell me where in the world you are watching this video. And we will only need 1 packet of mothballs. Put a cloth over the package and beat it until the mothballs turn into a powder. This is how I am doing it. Now that the mothball is a powder, let's put this powder into a big container. I will use this glass one. Let's add 1 liter of boiling water or very hot water. Mix it until the naphthalene dissolves completely. When you see that it is almost dissolved, you will add 200 milliliters of vinegar. Alcohol vinegar is excellent for cleaning the house. It disinfects and deodorizes. It eliminates mold, germs. The best one for cleaning is this one. Now we are going to use the detergent. The detergent works wonders on our floor. Let's put 3 generous spoons of detergent. Mix it all together very well. And to minimize the smell of mothballs, we're going to put 2 small caps of fabric softener concentrate. I'm using this one, but you can use whatever you have at home. Now just mix everything very well. And to finish, we'll add another 2 liters of water at room temperature. Mix it all together, and your multipurpose cleaner is ready. You can use it in your kitchen, your living room, your bathroom. It will make your floor shine. Not to mention that it will leave the room super fragrant, with a smell that lasts. To make it easier to apply, put it in a PET bottle, or any other container. A good tip is to make a small hole in the bottle cap. Not only does it work, but it lasts a long time and will help you save money. I am sure you will love to do this at home. Now I will pass on a message that is in Matthew 6:33. But seek ye first the kingdom of God, and his righteousness, and all these things shall be added unto you. This text says that basically it is to put your trust totally in the Lord's hands and to seek him as most important. This should be the aim of the one who loves and trusts the Lord. He will see to it that the things we need will be added. Thank you so much for watching this. A kiss and until the next video. Bye.